For factory owners, visibility, performance, and accountability is the key to success. But in today's Industry 4.0 era, does your existing pen-paper-based shop floor management system comply with your expectations? Imagine a solution that empowers you to monitor the performance, from individual shop floor processes to the entire factory in real time on your devices, from anywhere, at any time. Introducing TechRev 4.0 Smart Factory. This solution will replace the existing manual shop floor management system and establish more control over your factory performances by increasing efficiency, reducing wastage, and cost of quality with enhanced visibility, thus elevating your profit margin exponentially. This is how the magic happens. Smart Terminal at every workstation sends data to the cloud and immediately displays the results on interactive dashboards that act as factory operation control centers to continuously monitor the KPIs and financial implications for better informed decision-making.
Workers can see their hourly target, RFT, efficiency, DHU, etc. in the smart terminals. By a simple touch, they can also raise an issue, that is feeding problem, machine breakdown, or even a personal one, and notifications are sent to the concerned persons. TechRev 4.0 will empower your management with automated line balancing and style changeover time acquisition. It will optimize the level of WIP at each production process and supply chain stage to automatically maintain the lowest inventory cost. Management can also monitor accurate downtime for the entire factory operations with the identification of the source and responsible departments. Still not convinced? TechRev 4.0 Quality Management Module makes the shop floor management more effective. Defects are captured and displayed in real time through the QA tab, providing DHU reports, critical operations alerts, and identifying responsible workstations for the defects, thus eliminating the need for inline process quality. The operator's skill matrix is automatically updated from their on-job performance. Factory management can also identify the operator's skill deficits, forecast the upcoming skill requirements, and plan training and development programs for upskilling. The management can follow up the factory performances by setting KPI targets for each process. The interactive order tracking dashboard will provide alerts if any PO tends to miss the shipment date. TechRev 4.0 Smart Factory takes you one step closer to realizing the dream of the smart factory. Are you ready to future-proof your business? Please contact Technovus today for a free trial and ROI calculations.